Am I the only one that didn't know Forex is a $6 trillion market? This is gonna blow your mind. So what is Forex trading? It's all about buying and selling currencies to profit from exchange rate changes. Imagine trading in a market with over $6 trillion moving around daily. Now let's talk about currency pairs. Forex is always traded in pairs like EUR, USD, or GBP, JPY. The first currency is the base and the second is the quote. You either buy the base and sell the quote, or vice versa. How does Forex trading work? You simply speculate if a currency pair will rise or fall. Think the euro will strengthen against the dollar, buy EUR USD, expect it to weaken, sell EUR USD. And now some key terms. Pips, the smallest price move, usually 0.0001 for most pairs. Leverage, control a big position with a little capital, but watch out, it can amplify both gains and losses. Margin, the money needed to open a position, it's just a fraction of your trade size, letting you trade bigger than your account balance. Stay tuned as we dig deeper into Forex trading in our next video.